want a treat? Oh, there we go. It's so yummy. Mmm, that's so yummy. Good morning, you guys. What is up? Welcome back to another vlog. It is Tuesday morning. It's like 12:30 right now. I've been spending my whole morning editing. I'm trying to get myself back on a really good routine. I need to start setting my alarm. That's going to be my goal for tomorrow, is to set my alarm and get up early. I've just been like letting myself wake up naturally because I don't usually sleep in too much. I've been getting up at like 8:30. But I want to try and get up even earlier than that. So my goal for tomorrow is to set an alarm and get up at like 7:30, 8 o'clock, somewhere in there, because by the time 8:30 rolls around, that's just too late for me. But that is besides the point. I just finished my cup of coffee and got a video up for the day, which I'm really excited about. I've been really trying to upload as many videos as I can. I woke up this morning and I told Eddie, I'm like, today is gonna be a good day. Like, we're gonna make today a good day. Even though we're just hanging out at home, we're gonna make it a really fun day. So I'm gonna take my laptop downstairs because my videos like don't upload when I sit at my desk for whatever reason. Like the Wi-Fi just is not very good up here, so I need to go take that downstairs. And then Eddie actually needs to use my laptop for the rest of the day because he has to do his ed TPA. I'm not sure if that's a thing in other states, but I know for sure in Ohio ed TPA is like becoming a thing. It's like once you're done with your student teaching, you have to like record yourself teaching and then do like commentary stuff. I don't know. I'll have to do mine in the fall. I'll have to do my ed TPA, and seeing some of the stuff he has to do, I'm not looking forward to it, but it will be fine. Luckily, I don't have to do mine for a while, but he has to get his done today. So he'll have my laptop and he'll be working on his schoolwork for the rest of the day pretty much. So he'll be really busy. I got up first thing in the morning and I threw on an outfit, even though it's just like comfy clothes. At least I'm not in my pajamas. I self-tanned last night, got up, showered it all off, and just threw on some comfy clothes. I pulled out these shorts. I forgot I had these shorts. These are like my favorite shorts in the entire world. I will try and find something similar and link them below because I lived in these shorts in the summer. They are like the comfiest thing ever. And I just threw on like a little sweatshirt over top of it so that I felt a little bit more ready. It's still really gloomy out. It has been gloomy out for like the past 2 weeks, I swear. Like every once in a while the sun will come out, but it's been pretty gloomy. So I put on some yellow because I thought it was just like a bright fun color. I really want to get ready today because I think I'm going to film another like sit down video. Got all ready for the day. I used my hair crimper and I actually really like the way that it turned out today. Like the crimpiness of it, I don't know, I really like it. My hair is starting to get so long. I'm obsessed with it. I just want it to keep growing, but I really like the way that it turned out. So I'll link the hair crimper down below. I like it much better than the first time that I did it like a month ago. This time it turned out much better. So it's just a little bit more calm and I really, really like it. So got ready for the day. I'm gonna make myself a little smoothie now. I have been super into smoothies lately. I usually eat them for my lunch because I like to eat a late breakfast, and then by the time I'm hungry, I eat this, or I guess I drink this, and then I'll have dinner later on. But I have just been so obsessed with having smoothies, and it's so nice since I've been at home. It's easy for me to make them. It's just something that is super healthy and easy to do, and then I can just keep working and drink my smoothie. So I have been loving this. I was definitely inspired by Bianca. I will link her YouTube channel and Instagram down below. I used to make smoothies a lot, but I never thought to, one, put it in a cute cup. There's something so much more satisfying about drinking a smoothie when you have it like in a cute little mason jar. And also, I never thought to add like spinach to my smoothies, so I do that now. So I'll just show you guys kind of how I've been making mine and what I do. I just went ahead and added 2 scoops of vanilla protein, and then I'm gonna fill it up with water. I usually just eyeball how much water I need, but I always fill it up to this line right here. So however much water that makes for. I either do a whole banana or a half banana. Today I'm just gonna do a half of a frozen banana, a couple handfuls of this frozen spinach, I typically use this very medley, but we're towards the bottom, so there's no strawberries in it. So I'm gonna do some of this and then just a couple of frozen strawberries also. Then I add in some almond butter. I've really been liking to do almond butter lately instead of peanut butter. So I usually just do like one big scoop of this. Then I just add in a splash of almond milk. This is the vanilla almond milk, unsweetened. This just makes it a little bit more creamy. Then I just go ahead and blend it up like this first, and then I will add ice after this is all blended up, just because I find this works better for my blender. So I'll go ahead and start blending this up. This is what it looks like once it's all blended up. And then I will just go ahead and pour it into my little jar. Oops, I spilt already. And that is how I make my smoothie. It tastes so good. I love it so much. It fills me up until I'm ready for a snack or for dinner. I want to try and start making one of these a day since I am going to be home. So I'll be able to have the blender and be able to make a smoothie. So I'm going to try and make one of these a day. That way I can get in my greens, because I'm really, really bad about eating greens. Like, really bad. I can do fruit. Vegetables I'm not as good about. So this helps me get in my greens and my protein and my fruit. I'm going to take this upstairs and drink this and maybe just hang out for a little bit, take a little break. I bought this about a week ago. This is an iPad Air, I believe. Yes, it's the iPad Air. I got this since we are quarantined. I really wanted to put my time and energy into something like I mentioned to you guys. So this is one of the things that I invested in. I have been wanting one of these for seriously forever, and then just finally did it since I knew I was going to be home with not very much to do for the next who knows how long. So I'm excited to start playing around with this. I'll link the iPad that I have, the case that I have, which is off of Amazon, and then this is the Apple Pencil that I got. I am so excited. I've been addicted to it already. I'm so glad that I finally went ahead and just bought it, but I want to show you guys. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you might not have seen this, but I really wanted to do something to do my part to help out in this whole coronavirus situation. I want to do more, but for now, this is something that I put together. So I just went ahead and drew this. I've been wanting to get like into like hand lettering and stuff with the iPad and just doing more like creative stuff, doing different things like this, like do more graphic stuff, not just for YouTube, but just like in general and for fun, just for me creatively. I've been wanting to do that. So I went ahead and made this shirt. It says, "Let's stay home," and you can go ahead and buy it. I will link it down below if you guys want to go check it out. But down here at the bottom, it just shows that all the profits are going to, it's the Center for Disease Philanthropy for COVID-19. So I just listed what all they do. It was something I was really excited about when I saw that you could donate to them and all the different things that the money goes to. So I'm really excited about it. I bought stuff. My mom bought stuff. I know a lot of like my family and friends have bought stuff. So thank you very much to anybody who has already purchased. We've already raised $156. You guys can see this on your end. You guys can see how much we have raised, how many we've sold. So definitely go check it out. It would seriously mean the world to me. It might not seem like much, but I really truly believe that every little bit counts. I know a lot of people aren't in the financial situation at the moment to purchase something. If you even want to just donate, you can donate on your own. If you aren't even able to donate, just doing your part and social distancing, staying at home, washing your hands, like that stuff counts. Calling and checking up on a friend, just, I don't know, I've been really wanting to do my part, and I'm just really excited about this. And it's not just like me donating this, like this is us, this is a collaborative thing. Like we together are making a difference and donating something, and I'm just really, really excited about it. So thank you to anybody who's already purchased, donated, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much. I do not get a single cent from this. It's all going to the fundraiser. So go check it out. I'm so excited to get mine in hopefully soon. That's just something that I've been doing on my iPad. But if you guys want to see like a what's on my iPad, I'd be more than happy to show you guys. I've been really into Procreate. That was one of the things that I've been wanting to get into, and one of the reasons that I actually bought the iPad. And I've just been really enjoying playing around with it. So I have like some different brushes. You can do so many different things with it. And I've just been wanting to like learn how to like do calligraphy more, if that makes sense, like the different brush strokes. I don't know, I just think it's so much fun, and that's something that I've been doing with my time. And also I got good notes to start playing with, so those are some of the things that I've been doing. So I'm just going to kind of hang out for the next little bit, drink my smoothie, and play around on my iPad. I have been laying here for way too long, but that's okay. That's part of what this time is just using this time to better ourselves, start a new project. That's kind of what I've been doing. So this is one of the things that I made while I've been sitting here. I've just been watching a bunch of YouTube videos trying to figure out how to work Procreate, different things that you can do. So this is kind of, I don't know, something that I just threw together, practicing some of the things that I watched. I want to figure out how to like animate it and put them into YouTube videos. That's something I really want to do, is start like making graphics instead of using like text in my videos. I want to start like writing everything and having it be like my writing in my videos, so it's just more me, I guess. I don't know, it's just something really fun. I was going to film another video today. I don't think that's gonna happen because Eddie just needed some extra help with his EdTPA thing, like figuring out how to get the video imported. He was having some trouble with that, so I've been spending a little bit of time helping him do that, and it definitely took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take, so I don't have time. I mean, I could technically film a video, but I don't want to rush it, and it's just kind of gloomy out, so it's kind of dark, so I'll just do that another day. I have plenty of time. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm technically on spring break this week, which is why I don't have any homework technically. There's stuff that I could probably get ahead on, but to be honest, I just want a break. I just want to take a week to do what I want to do and not be like focused on schoolwork, because I'll have the time to do schoolwork next week and in all the weeks to come. So I'm using this week to really focus on YouTube and, like I said, starting new hobbies. I know I need to clean at some point today. I have not cleaned in a really long time, and things should probably be like not just like cleaned, like dusted off, but like also disinfected. Even though it's just us here, I just feel like it's important to still, I don't know, make sure that everything is really clean during this time, because I just don't want to get sick or get anybody else sick like in my family. He's so handsome. Look at him. Oh, say hello everybody. Hello everybody. You're so precious. Okay, I'm quick. Okay. Going for a nice little walk, even though it's freezing. It is the end of the night now. It is almost 10 o'clock. We did our cleaning. Eddie and I went for a little walk earlier, and now I'm getting myself into bed. You guys might be wondering, this doesn't look like my bed. It is because this isn't my bed. I've been sleeping on the floor the past few nights with this guy, huh? You can't even see your face. Oh, there he is. There's his face, huh? I've been sleeping on the floor the past few nights with Jasper because I've talked a little bit about his leg and stuff and his neurological thing, and it just hasn't been doing the best for the past probably a week. He's been like really dragging his back paw, which is not a good thing. So I've just been trying to sleep with him and spend some extra time with him and just give him extra lovins and take extra good care of him. So I have been sleeping on the floor with him. Definitely not the most comfy, but I'd do anything for him. As he literally just passes out. He likes to snuggle and cuddle at night and he won't leave my side. So me and the baby boy are gonna go to bed and he's downstairs playing video games for a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are all doing really well. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe by clicking down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Say bye, Jasper. Say good night. Say good night.